everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Blooket account with Google. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in the URL for Blooket, that is www.blooket.com, and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official web page. From the official site, click on the login button at the top right and you'll be able to see the login area. To log in using your Google account, it's pretty simple. Click on the login with Google option and choose your Google account from the list if you've got multiple Google accounts. Select any one Google account, or you can also use another Google account. Simply click on this option and enter your credentials for your google.com account. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to log in to your Blooket account using Google account. This is one of the easiest methods to log into your account, since you won't need to enter the password for your Blooket.com account and you can easily log in using your Google account's credentials. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.